Design, design thinking, technology, project-based learning, maker's experience, teamwork, and multidisciplines are the core element of our new undergraduate program, Bachelor of Science in Integrated System and Design. Hello, I'm Chi-Ying Choi, the Head and Professor of Division of Integrated System and Design. Today, I'm going to introduce to you our brand new innovative education program of HKUST, which is a new way of nurturing technologists and innovators. Our world is facing many grand challenges nowadays. To tackle these challenges, we have to nurture a new generation of innovators and technologists who can integrate knowledge from multiple areas, work in a team consist of experts from multiple disciplines, and use a human-centered mindset to build new systems to solve complex societal problems. New generations of innovators and technologists should have the following attributes: independent thinking and analytical mindset, empathy to the users, global vision and ability to identify problems, ability to convert ideas to practical solutions, and integrated multiple-disciplinary knowledge with human-centered mindset. Building integrated systems is one of the directions to solve the world's challenges. Traditional engineering designs focus on individual components or part of the overall solutions. But nowadays, we need to design systems, not just only a point component, but a complex integrated solutions involving many small components and different subsystems together to solve real-world problems. Here are some examples. It is expected that robots will be widely used in the next 10 to 20 years in aspects ranging from manufacturing, medical, education, and so on. These robotic systems involve multiple disciplines, such as mechanical, electronic, computer engineering, and a lot of new technologies in software, artificial intelligence, and materials, integrated together to form a complex systems to provide workable solution to a particular problem. Other examples of integrated systems are smart healthcare systems and smart city. The Integrative Systems and Design Program was therefore launched in 2018, and this is the first experiential learning undergraduate program in Hong Kong. It focuses on active learning, project-based and multidisciplinary training to nurture our students to become an innovator and technologist with special attributes who can create disruptive ideas. ISD provides differentiated learning opportunities for talented students. We use new learning-centric pedagogies and project-based experiential learning to empower the students to explore their potential and develop these 6 components of skill sets and mindset. In addition to technical competence, we aim to nurture our students to also acquire a design thinking mindset, which I will elaborate more later. Interpersonal skills and teamwork, which are very important as the new generations of system design, will involve a large team composed of people from diverse disciplines and with various skill sets. Another skill set is hands-on prototype skills. Students not learning through writing papers or doing examinations, but learn through doing. They really have to make the prototype with their own hands to verify their ideas. And lastly, entrepreneurship spirit. We aim to train our students to come up with innovative and disruptive ideas, and not afraid of failure even if things do not work out. By maintaining a keep-going mindset, they will eventually succeed. So, what are the special emphasis of this program? First of all, project-based learning, where students need to complete a complex team project in every year, starting from the 2nd year. Every team is composed of students with different skill set, expertise, and knowledge areas. Each student has his or her role in the project and different interests. We will design an individualized learning pathway, including courses to take for each student to acquire the technical knowledge and skill for him or her to execute and complete the project. ISD usually works with the industry, coming up with the project topics, which has real practical applications and also differs from year to year. We also place emphasis on the learner-centric pedagogy and active learning. The faculty will work closely with the students. At the same time, the students need to actively learn through various means, not only in class, but also outside class. We highly encourage students to participate in internship, overseas exchange, and competitions to broaden and deepen their learning experience. Therefore, we work closely with industries and special exchange partners to offer numerous internship and exchange opportunities for our students during the summer or normal semesters. There are also many design, case, and prototype competitions available for our students. It is a 4-year program-based admissions, and the JUPAS course code is JS5211. We take students from the first year, which is different from the school-based admission of the School of Engineering. In the first 2 years, we focus on design and technology fundamentals to teach students basic design and prototyping techniques. Here are the ISDN courses for Year 1 and Year 2 students. At the same time, students also need to learn some basic engineering skills, for example, computer programming, mathematics, and physics, etc. And the university's common core courses, which include language or other introductory courses offered by other schools at HKUST. We want our students to acquire the basic design skill set and design thinking mindset to prepare them for projects in the second year through to the 4th year. So, what is the design thinking process? So let me take this year's Year 2 group project on the topic of assistive technology for the elderly to exemplify this concept. This elderly lift is a machine to help elderly people without enough strength to stand up. Our students started by talking to the users at the elderly center to understand what they need. This is empathize. That is, understand your user, the first step of the design thinking process. After that, students are able to define the problem they want to solve based on the user's need. After identifying the problems, they will go through an ideation process that generates different solutions to solve problems, and more importantly, they proceed to make the real prototype to demonstrate the idea and do testing to prove the workability. If the work cannot fulfill the situation, it is required to restart the process from ideation, prototype, and testing until you get the right solution and right design to solve the problem. To work on this type of project, each student in the team performs his or her own role. For example, one student works on programming the software, another works on electronic control, and other students work on material design, mechatronic design, and also economic designs. Therefore, every student will take different courses in order to acquire the knowledge required for fulfilling their own role in the project. Besides the year projects, many other ISDN courses are also project-based. Here are some other examples of project design courses. Year 1 students create some portable and foldable tents for HKUST students as mobile dormitories. They generated innovative ideas to solve the limited hall places on campus and also made a prototype, practicing the design thinking process. Another group of Year 2 students developed smart massage ball and glove for elderly rehabilitation. Year 3 students work on a project on smart mobility. They each played different roles in the software, driving mechanism, electronic control, energy source, and also the mechanical structure. They selected the courses offered by various departments to learn the required skills and knowledge. If you have found our program interesting to you, and you think you are not the traditional type of students who are not just only good academics, but also are self-motivated, eager to learn, eager to ask, not afraid to get your hand dirty, always curious on how things work, and also active learners and makers, then you are the one we are looking for. Then a lot of students would ask, what is the admission criteria? In order to seek our target student, we use various means to assess students in addition to the academic results on whether they are suitable for this program, whether they have the biggest potential, whether they are active learners or not. There are 3 components of the assessment criteria. The first is design and technology project experience. If you want to enroll in this program, you need to summarize what you have done in high school and show us that you have the potential to be a good maker and active learner. We will hold a practical interview, which is a group one involving a lot of design activities. We assess the students' creative thinking, potential of being a maker, and another important part is teamwork and collaborations. The last one is the public examination results. Hong Kong UST and the School of Engineering have given a lot of resources and spaces to this innovative program. Most of our design classes of the first year student will be conducted in this design studio, where it provides an interactive environment for the students to learn, work, and communicate with professors and fellow students in this open area. Year 2 to Year 4 students, we work together closely on projects. A newly renovated project laboratory called ISD Works, which is a large 500 square meter space and can accommodate 90 students working at the same time. Inside the lab, there are a lot of state-of-the-art machines and equipment. Students can go there to work whenever they want. Our ISD faculties are from diverse engineering and design disciplines. We have a high faculty-to-student ratio, and now it is only just 1:4. That means every 4 students will have 1 faculty to take care of their studies. The faculty is like a mentor who will work together with students both in the class and in the project. You may visit our website for more information. If you have any questions, just feel free to send email to us or give us a call. If you want to learn how to integrate technology and design, have your own study pathway, experience interactive mode of learning, and work on real prototypes for real problems, and if you are eager to learn about technology development and wants to be a technology innovator, we welcome you to join ISD, and I hope to see you soon on UST campus. Thank you.